Hello everyone, welcome back to Living in the South PH. My name is Ayel, and right now I am here in Barangay Batulaki, the last barangay in the municipality of Glan. And in this video, we are going to uncover a 500-year-old history which our province is proud to be part of. The marker that you can see behind me is part of a 500-year-old history. According to the records of Antonio Pigafetta, the crew that survived the Battle of Mactan took refuge in the calm waters of Batulaki.
Batulaki is the last barangay of the municipality of Glan, Sarangani Province, bordering Davao Occidental in the south. It is located at the tip of the peninsula in the southernmost part of mainland Mindanao. As we commemorate the 500th year of the circumnavigation of the world led by Ferdinand Magellan in 1521, a marker has been unveiled in Batulaki. It is the 32nd of the 34 markers installed in different parts of the country, specifically in Visayas and Mindanao. The markers indicate the places where the crew of the Magellan Elcano expedition dropped anchor. After the Battle of Mactan, where Magellan was killed, the surviving crew led by Juan Sebastian Elcano continued the expedition to find the island of Molucca, landing on various shores of the archipelago before eventually returning to Spain. In the province of Sarangani, the National Historical Commission and the National Quincentennial Commission has ascertained two areas where the surviving crew of the expedition docked. Based on the records of the chronicler Antonio Pigafetta, the crew landed in Binayan, which is believed to be what is now Barangay Camanga in the municipality of Maasim. From there, on October 26, 1521, the crew was forced to seek refuge at Biraham Batulac, or the present-day Batulaki, due to a furious storm. The marker in Batulaki was unveiled on October 26, exactly 500 years after the recorded landing of Magellan's surviving crew. The day after landing in Batulaki, the crew continued on their journey to find Moluccas, or the Spice Island, dropping by Balut and Sarangani Islands on their way there. While the Magellan Elcano circumnavigation expedition proved that the Earth is a sphere, the records of Pigafetta also show that the Philippine Islands were not discovered by Magellan. Instead, our ancestors have already been thriving and have always been here even before they came.
The existence of this marker here in Barangay Batulaki, Glan, Sarangani Province is proof that the province of Sarangani is not only rich in natural resources, but it also played an important part in history. My name is Ayel, and I'm very proud to be living in the South.